Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make a mosquito net frame. First, gather your essential materials. You will need PVC pipes, 4 3-way elbow connectors, and mosquito netting. Also, make sure you have a measuring tape, a small saw for cutting, and a strong adhesive like PVC cement. Choosing a netting with a mesh size of at least 1.2 millimeters is crucial for effective protection. This project is straightforward and can be completed in just a few hours. Next, let's focus on precise measurements and cutting. Begin by accurately measuring the dimensions of the area where your mosquito net frame will be placed. This ensures a perfect fit. Once you have your measurements, cut 4 pieces of PVC pipe, 2 for the length and 2 for the width of your frame. For the best results, use a miter box to achieve precise, straight cuts on all pipe sections. This step is vital for a sturdy and well-aligned frame. Now it's time to assemble the frame structure. Take your cut PVC pipes and connect them using the 4 3-way elbow connectors. These connectors will form the corners of your rectangular frame. It is very important to apply PVC cement to all joints. This creates a secure and lasting bond, preventing the frame from coming apart. After assembly, allow the adhesive to cure completely for at least 24 hours. This ensures maximum strength and durability for your net frame. Finally, let's attach and secure the netting to complete your mosquito net frame. Carefully drape the mosquito netting over the assembled PVC frame, ensuring it is spread evenly and taut. Use zip ties or strong clips to firmly secure the netting to the frame all around its perimeter. Space them about every 6 inches for a tight fit. Once secured, trim any excess netting, leaving a small 2-inch overlap for a neat and professional finish. Your protective mosquito net frame is now ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.